Hey guys, it's Melanie. What's up? Today I'm so excited because this is the beginning of summer videos. Heck yeah, super excited to make all of these. Okay, honestly, I realize I say super excited so much, it's kind of annoying. Like, I'm sorry. Okay, whatever. But I am so ready for summer videos, summer outfits. Right now it's actually freaking cloudy and raining out, so that's why I'm filming this inside. Nonetheless, I'm still gonna wear these outfits once it gets warm. Seattle, what's up? I don't know. Okay, well, ignore that. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys some outfit ideas, cute, casual outfit ideas for the summer. No dress code anymore, so I won't be getting that comment a million times. Love reading that. I'm just gonna be showing you the things I would typically wear in the summer. I love summer style. It's probably my favorite. I love shorts and 80-degree weather and tank tops and stuff. I think it's so much easier to pick out summer outfits that are cute. Also, you can just wear dresses and you look cute no matter what. So, and also it's Birks season and we all know I'm here for the Birks. I talked for a long time, but if you guys want to see more outfit ideas, make sure to follow me on Instagram because on my main account, I always post like stories of my daily outfits. On my fashion account, which is separate, I'm not super active on there. I've been trying to get more active, but I do post like layouts and other photos of me in outfits and stuff. So if you want more outfit inspo, make sure to follow me there. Other than that, let's get straight into the outfit ideas. I really love this first outfit. It gives kind of a mix of that VSCO beachy girl vibe combined with just rolled out of bed wearing pajamas, you know what I'm saying? So it's very comfortable, but it's also pretty like beachy summery. I could totally see myself or someone wearing this if they were, you know, like staying at a summer beach house, just chilling on the boardwalk, getting some ice cream. This pale yellow cotton v-neck tee is thrifted. The two necklaces that I'm layering here are both DIY'd and I actually have a video on it. This little white scrunchie is just from Target. And these shorts are also thrifted as well, but I believe that they're originally from Aeropostale and they're just super comfy and have a very thin pinstripe style to them. And for my shoes, I'm just wearing some white low-top Converse. And that is it for this first outfit. Something about the second outfit kinda gives me like retro 80s hippie grandma vibes combined, but you know, I'm totally here for it. I do acknowledge the fact that I'm wearing very, very little clothes here and that I could probably pass with wearing this to some kind of music festival, but you know, sometimes it gets hot in the summer. Or not, thanks Seattle. The itsy bitsy little halter top that I am styling right here is from Brandy Melville. This pearl necklace that I have on a little chain is from Forever 21, and this little yellow scrunchie I actually DIY'd. I also have a video on that. These shorts that are the cutest things ever are little mom jeans, but then they have like embroidered daisies on them, and they are from PacSun. And my shoes are once again white slip-on, or not slip-on, they're just white low-top Converse, yeah. And that is pretty much it for the second outfit. I officially take back everything that I said about the last outfit. This third outfit definitely gives me those grandma vibes, but kind of in a little bit of a cuter way, if you know what I'm saying. I just ordered this floral little blouse and this is exactly how I pictured wearing it. So I started off the base of this outfit with a plain tube top that I got from Brandy Melville. Then I layered this little sheer chiffon floral blouse that I got from Forever 21 along with this heart locket that I got from Brandy Melville.
My mom jeans shorts are from PacSun, but I actually thrifted them. And to keep those up, I just wore this belt that I also thrifted. I absolutely love this outfit. I could see myself wearing it on a bit of a cooler day, and I think it gives a super adorable retro look. You know what, I take it back, or there's something wrong with me, because I think every single outfit just turns more and more into looking like my grandma's wardrobe. But honestly, I think my summer style just really resembles an 80-year-old grandma, so, you know, we're fine with it. This fourth outfit is very spring and floral and dainty, kind of similar to the third one, but just a little more casual, I would say. I have been obsessed with this paper bag shorts trend recently, and I also just love styling casual t-shirts just like this because it's just super simple and there's so many options for it. So this t-shirt that I'm styling here today is super simple, and it just has a nice little embroidery patch on it, and this is from Saffel. To add a little something something, I'm just wearing my Tiffany pendant charm as well as this floral scrunchie that I thought went pretty well with it. I'm also changing up the shoes and wearing these plain sandals that I got from Target. And that is pretty much it for the fourth outfit. This is a very casual look and something that you would probably see me wearing on a regular summer day. Surprise, surprise, this fifth and final outfit actually doesn't really remind me of a grandma. It kind of reminds me of a dad or a grandpa or some person in the safari, I don't know, or a tourist, you know, in Hawaii. But I'm cool with all of those things, all of the above. This outfit is something I'm not sure if I would totally wear, but I've been really into these tropical Hawaiian shirts and I wanted to try styling it, so this is what I put together. This crazy fun pattern shirt, which is the center of the outfit clearly, I thrifted a couple years back actually. This shell choker is from my friend and she got it in Hawaii, and this scrunchie is also from my other friend who actually got it in Japan. These shoes are Jesus sandals, which I got in Hawaii. Wow, this outfit is from all over. And these shorts, which are literally the comfiest shorts ever, I am absolutely in love with them, are from Princess Polly. This belt, which is actually kind of unnecessary, but just, you know, adds a little something, is from the Target girls section. Alright guys, that is it for the fifth and final outfit. Although it's kind of touristy and tacky, I think it's super adorable as well.
Alright guys, so those were my summer outfit ideas. They're pretty casual and comfy because we all know that's literally how I dress all the time. If you guys enjoyed and that these outfits gave you a little bit of inspiration and that it was helpful to you, make sure to follow me on Instagram for more outfit ideas and inspiration if you want to, yeah. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you want to see more outfit ideas and like videos about fashion stuff, yeah, just make sure to let me know in the comments and tell me like what kind of inspiration outfit video, yeah, like that you would want to see. Okay, that's enough. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye.